Hey broski, gagi, parang nag-uur na and all, pero I think kailangan mo itong magkadaramon. So, there's a donut and there's a diamond lying on the floor. Both of them nasa salog. And then suddenly, sarong grupo ng ants pick up the donut and winaralat nila yung diamond where it was. Legit. But that doesn't make the diamond lose its value, right? Still, it's diamond kahit winalat siya and all. Hindi siya babaratuhin. Similarly, broski, sa pinag-aagihan mo right now, siguro hindi ka pinili. Siguro hindi ka na-promote. Siguro you're in a situation right now that you are being disrespected or wala silang tiwala sa capability mo. Pero broski, padagos ka lang. Hindi ibig sabihin, hindi nahihiling ng ibang tao yung mga kaya mong gawin. These qualities don't exist na. Gagi par, lalatubin kita and all. Do not belittle yourself. Wag mong hilingin ang sadiri mo na super sadit. Do not belittle yourself on the basis of other people's opinion. Ants, yung mga serum na yan, they don't have the capability to really see ang totoong value ng diamond. So, broski, be a diamond. Okay? And don't become a donut in order to get acknowledgement from ants sa mga serum na yan and all. Tuturudusin ko talaga kayo and all.